Female elephants generally do not have tusks, and this comes down to a combination of biology, evolution, and survival strategies. In Asian elephants, most females have no tusks at all, only tiny peg-like structures called tushes that are barely visible and rarely used. This is very different from African elephants, where both males and females usually have tusks, but the females are much smaller and lighter. One explanation lies in evolutionary adaptation. In forest-dwelling habitats like those of Asian elephants, large tusks can actually be a disadvantage. Maneuvering through thick vegetation becomes harder, and the risk of tusks breaking or causing injury increases. By evolving to have smaller or no tusks, females conserve energy they would otherwise spend developing and maintaining these large teeth, allowing more resources to go toward reproduction and survival. Tusks are actually elongated incisor teeth, and for males they serve multiple purposes: fighting rivals, defending territory, digging for water, and stripping bark for food. Females, however, generally do not engage in such aggressive competition and have less need for these heavy tools. Nature has therefore favored smaller tusks, or complete tusk absence in many female populations. Human influence has also played a significant role. In areas with intense poaching, elephants with smaller or no tusks have been less likely to be killed, giving them a survival advantage. Over generations, these traits have become more common. A striking example is in African elephants, where the number of tuskless females has increased rapidly in regions affected by hunting pressure. This difference between males and females is a fascinating case of sexual dimorphism, where each gender evolves features suited to its specific roles and challenges. For female elephants, not having large tusks is not a weakness, but an adaptation that helps them thrive. It reduces injury risk, conserves precious energy, and, in today's world, lowers the chance of being targeted by humans. In short, female elephants often lack tusks because their evolutionary path proved they could survive, reproduce, and protect their young without them, showing that sometimes nature's smartest designs are the simplest ones.